Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about where did but sorry. Oh. Okay. Now I am going to be distracted for the next 2 hours, and then like 50-50 chance I'll be able to actually successfully come back. Actually, no, it's more like 80% chance that I don't come back, 20% chance that I do with normally how this goes. Ah! Speaking of, hey. I would like to hang out. I need a moment. Funny enough, I was about to work on something like this. I'll pause.